Hi everyone, so today this video I will show you how admin can restrict of each user with multiple time of wrong password attempt. So let's start how to do this one. First of all, let me go through requirement analysis. So here this video I will show you how to restrict a user with wrong password attempt. So it will do what if the user, if it is the valid user or if it is means invalid user is trying to access someone account with just for example there is one dev portal. So this developer portal which we already explained previously, right? So this developer portal we already just example created one account. So that account, if a user is trying to hit multiple time of wrong password, so we will do what, we will set a number of retry. So after that certain time of interval, if that user is keep on trying the wrong password, so admin will do what? Admin will be log their account for certain time interval. So this kind of scenario, like how we can achieve this video. So what we can do, let me go through API Manager Carbon portal. So those who are regularly watching my video, they already aware what is Carbon portal in WSO2 and how to use that one. So kindly go through my channel, so beyond doubt. So regularly I'm uploading WS related videos, so you will get some idea. So if you want to go through my playlist, so just go through playlist here. So in playlist, right, I already created one WSO2 end-to-end development series, so you will get some idea how it is going on. So let me quickly go through API Manager Carbon portal. So here you can see there is an user and roles here, right? If you go through list here, so here there is two options here, one for users and one for roles. So click users here. So you can see here I already onboarded multiple user for testing purpose. So just for example, so I want to test this user. So this user, if you go to user profile, right, defaults, so here only visible first name, last name, organization name, and the other attribute only we can visible here. So what we can do, just for example, let me show you. Let me copy this email ID and go through developer portal and sign in here, right? So it is asking me username and password. So I'm typing here and randomly typing some password and continue here. So same like I'm typing again here and randomly typing any password and continue here. Same I'm just keep on trying just 4 to 5 times. Let me show you. Let me try one more time. So same let me type again. There is no authentication. I will tell you what is the problem, then we will fix this problem. So now I type 5 times this wrong password, but still if you go through Carbon portal and let me refresh this one, you can see here, right? So this account, there is no option actually to disable means lock or unlock account. So let me try with the correct password. Let me copy this one. So now let me use the correct password. Okay, so let me type the correct password here, scroll down and continue. So now you can see there is no password means this login attempt restriction is there. So if any user is trying to access your environment, then that particular user can able to access your environment n number of time with wrong password. Then if he try the correct password, he can able to access. But what we can do this video, will restrict the number of attempt. So after that certain number of attempt, that user automatic logged, that means admin will log their account. So how to achieve that one? So let me WSO2 API Manager here. So there is one claim option is here. So you can see here it claims. So before claims, let me go through, show you one more thing, identity provider. So this identity provider, if you go through resident, right, if you scroll down, there is one login attempt security is there. Just enable this account log. If you see here, there is few options here. One for login user account on maximum failed attempt. Second one is maximum failed for login attempts. Third one is for initial account duration. And this is login account log duration incremental factor. Manage notification sending internally. And third last one is the log time increased. So what we can do here, this meaning let me explain you. Maximum failed attempts, if the user is trying to access number of time 5 times, this is a default number set by product itself. If after 5 times if the user is trying to access, so it will automatically lock your account. Second one, initially account lock duration. So if you see the description, it's clearly visible, right? So initially account lock time period is they are giving 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, if you are keep on trying, means after 5 minutes it will automatic unlock your account. So after 5 minutes again, if you are keep on trying, then what they will do, they are adding one more logic here. It will increment, it will 5 into 2 10 minutes. So after 5 minutes, if you are keep on trying wrong password, it will increase the timing into 2. The last one, if you see here, these two options, manage notification. So currently there is no email notification triggering, so it's by default disabled only. And the last one, you can notify the user if the continuous failed attempt happened. So these features, like if the particular user have their email ID configured with the correct email ID, and the another unauthorized person is trying to access their account with multiple wrong password attempt, so it will trigger one email to that particular user. So this video will let me show you how we can restrict a user number of time wrong password. So let's start how to do this one. So if you enable this one, scroll down, means the log account user maximum attempt rate. So we just now enabled now and update your rate. So it is showing what successfully updated resident identity provider. Click OK, scroll down and update here. So what we can do here now, if I am trying again, let me log out this one and sign in again, right? So here if I am trying again also, I'm just typing any wrong password. Just example, I am an authorized user, unauthorized user, and trying to access this account and trying to hack this account. Let me type again the password here and continue here. The same for, let me retry again. Just typing 5 times. We said 5 times, right? So scroll down, continue again. Again, let me type wrong password. Scroll down, continue. Again, here. Let me try continue here. So I tried 6 times. Okay. Let me scroll down, continue. So even after trying this much attempt, if I now retry with the correct password, so it is showing what login failed. Okay, so it is actually logged your account, but it is not visible here. How we can know it is logged or unlocked? So if you go through API Manager, there is one user and roles here, right? Go through list here. So here users, if I see this user, right? So now I'm using my admin user. And this is the admin @YouTube, which I just now tried multiple times on wrong password. If I go through user profile and default, we are not able to see is it logged or unlogged or whatever this account, what is happening with this account. How we can see as an admin user, how I know this user is logged or not. So for that purpose, there is one claim option is here. There is one list. If you click list here, there is one available. These are the list of claims available in this claims option. So there is one option is here, this WSO2 org claims. If you click this one, it will give you the list of claims which is available inside this claim. So how we will enable that particular feature? So as an admin, how I know this account is logged or unlocked? So if I scroll down, so you can see, right, there is an option is here, account logged. Let me edit this one. So if you see here, it is displaying order, it is 0. So that means it is not able to visible anywhere that particular profile. So let me modify this one to 1. So I want to visible this order in the other top and support. So let me enable this one. So by default I want to support these features in all of the users. So as an admin, I want to see is it logged or unlocked and what is the current status of this profile. I want to visible that one. Then the second one required. So let me enable this one. So this features is required for all user while any onboarding purpose or any password wrong attempt or any type of unauthorized user access, so that I can want to manage that one. So let me update this one. So now our profile updated, means this claim has been added to the all particular means all user. Let's verify what is the status of that user. Let me go through user and roles again, click list here. So again click here users. Now the same user I want to edit here. Earlier it was not there, that log and unlock profile features was not there. If I click defaults, right, so now you can see account logged features is here and there is one check option is here. Okay, you can see, right, let me click again, unlock again. You can see, right, so it's now logged. So what I need to do here, so let me type the username and password, so at least everyone aware I'm using correct password or wrong password. So this is my username and this is my current password which I am currently using for accessing this user. So let me copy this one. So let me copy this username. Let me go through developer portal. Let me add it here. So here let me then copy the password. So just for your verification, I am using the same password for login or not. So go through here and add the password here. Scroll down and continue. So I think you already verified like the same password I'm using, and it's showing what login failed, and please check the username and password and try again. So what I need to do, let me go through Carbon portal again. As I'm an admin user, let me uncheck this one, scroll down and update. So now it is showing what user profile updated successfully. So let me go through this portal again and use the same user. So let me copy this username, let me copy the password. So now if I click continue, right, so you can see here now I'm successfully able to log in with this user. That means our current scenario which I want to achieve here. So as a admin user, I enabled like the restriction of login. So if any authorized user is trying to hack your account with multiple time of user attempt, so it will log your account, and that person can't able to access, or that person can't able to do any like wrong in your user. So hope like this video is helpful for everyone. So how to restrict your user login attempt using these features. So kindly those who are watching this video newly, kindly go through my channel So Beyond Doubt. So regularly I'm uploading all WS development series, and I'm planning to upload AI related videos in upcoming days. So kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.